In this video lecture, you'll learn about string with pointers in C. So what is string? In C programming, a string is a sequence of characters terminated with a null character. Okay, so this we have already seen. This is a null character. Okay, so when the compiler encounters a sequence of characters enclosed in the double quotation marks. Okay, so this is a sequence of character enclosed in double quotation mark. What it does, it appends a null character. It appends a null character at the end by default. So here, this is how, like if hello is a string, so HELLO, and at the end null character will be appended by the compiler. Okay, so this is the memory diagram of the string. So I have already discussed how to declare the string. So the string should be a character array. So the data type is char and it's an array, and the here size is 6. Okay, and whenever we write, whenever we initialize the string, so we have to enclose it in double quote. So this is how we declare a string. We write that it should be a character array, and the string should be enclosed in double quote. Okay, so here we'll discuss the memory diagram. So if hello is the string, so we know that in array the index will start from the 0. So the first character is h, that so the index will be 0 for that, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one is 5, that is for null character. Okay, so suppose this is the address in memory, so 1000, and then this is 1001. So why this is 1001? Because the data type is char, and each character in string str, it takes 1 byte of memory space, because character it takes 1 byte. So if the first character memory is 1000, then the next one will be 1001. And why it is like this? In my array video I have already explained. So array is what it's a contiguous memory location, right? So if the first one address is 1000 and the data type is char, so since the size of the char is 1 byte, so the next one will be 1001, and the next one will be 1002, and so on. So this is the index, and this is the value, and this is address. So this is how the string will be stored in memory. Okay, so next is creating a pointer for the string. So the variable name of the string str holds the address of the first element of the array. Okay, so what is that? The str is a string. It will hold the address of the first element of array. So this is the memory diagram, right? So here, suppose this is the first address, right? 1000. Next one will be 1001. So what this str will do? It will hold the address of the first element. That means this str will be pointing to the 1000. Okay, so it points at the starting memory address location. So we can create a character pointer ptr and store the address of the string str variable in it. This way ptr will point at the string. So in my previous video lecture of pointer, I've told pointer is a variable that hold the address of the variable rather than value. So if it was normal variable, for example, if the pointer variable is of integer type, so we write something like this, int star p. Okay, and suppose we have another variable q. Okay, so what we do, we say p has address of q. So the address of q is assigned to pointer variable p, like that. Okay, so here we are talking about string. So let's take one character pointer, and if I say it's a pointer variable, so we need to put star before that, and then this line means we are assigning the address of str to ptr. And what is this str? Str is pointing to the first element of the array. That means str is pointing to this. Okay, so now by this line we are saying now str address is assigned to ptr. Okay, so that means here what we are doing, suppose this is ptr, this is a pointer variable, so this is pointing, now this will start pointing to the string variable str, And here that pointer variable also, it will have some address. So some address it will have, and then the what will be the value here? So value will be this 1000, because this is having the address of str. So that means the value will be 1000. Okay. So we can represent the character pointer variable ptr as follows. The pointer variable ptr is allocated memory address 8000. So this is the memory address. 8000 is the memory address for ptr, and it holds the address of the string variable str, that is 1000. So this value will be 1000, and this 8000 will be the address for ptr. Okay. So now next is how to access the string via pointer. So to access and print the elements of the string, we can use a loop and check for the null character. So whenever, suppose if I say hello, okay, so hello, if I have to access and print the elements, so I'll use one for loop or while loop and check until the null character is encountered. So null character is basically end of the string. To check whether the string has ended. So now in the following example, we are using while loop to print the character of the string. So we'll first draw the memory diagram of this, and then it will be more clear. So hello means this is the index 0, and then 1, and then L, and again L, and O, and this is null character. Okay. And this is 1000. This is address location 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Okay. So this is address, this is value, and this is index. Okay. So now what we are doing, so this is a string variable. So we are declaring one string variable. It is a character array, and this is the string value hello. Okay. And then we are declaring one pointer variable. So pointer variable that is also of character type, and str means the address of str is assigned to the pointer. I mean, this pointer is pointing to now str variable. And then we are checking the condition while star ptr is not equal to null. So in my pointer video, I've already explained, if I want to print, suppose if I say pointer ptr is there, it's a pointer variable, and it is pointing to some variable, q. So now if I want to print the value stored at this, so see, it is pointing to q means the address of q is assigned to ptr. The meaning is the address of q is assigned to ptr. And now if I just print ptr, what it will print? Ptr, like in previous slide we have seen, this ptr will be pointing to this now. So the value of ptr will be what? The value will be 1000, the address of this, and address of address is 8000. So this is value, and this is address. Okay. So now if I just print, if I print ptr, it will give me 1000. Now if I want to print the value stored at this particular location, so that means I need to print star ptr. Okay. So this I have discussed already in the pointer video. So the condition will be I have to print this hello using pointer. So now I have to check until this is equal to null, not equal to null character. Okay. So star ptr means the value. So star ptr is not equal to null. So star ptr means we mean the value stored at this particular location. So if I say ptr, initially ptr is pointing to the address location. Okay. So here, so ptr is having 1000. Now if I say star ptr, means that 1000 this memory location, what is the value? Value is h. Okay. So that's what we are doing here. So until this condition is true, we'll be printing star ptr, means the value stored at that particular memory location. So star ptr will be h, and then we are incrementing ptr plus plus. So this will move the pointer to the next memory location. So now next memory location means now here, the pointer will point here, and then we say star ptr means the value stored at this address location, that is e. Next time it will, pointer value will be incremented. So this will point to this memory location. So the value stored at this location is L. That will be printed. So like that, until we reach here, we'll be printing this star PTR means we'll be printing all the values. So HELLO will be printed, and once this condition becomes true, that means pointer reaches here, what will happen? We will come out of the while loop, and then program will end. So this is how we can print the string using pointers. So hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.